Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Working on nugs. You guys know that from the title and the thumbnail. All it's really about right now is whether I can make it into the garbage can. Someone questioned my integrity. Said how many takes did it take? Took one take, dog. Here we go. My shoulder is killing me too, so. Off the wall, into the can, get you some. Oh! Gotta be gentle with this. Oh, crap. This is definitely slowed me down. Oh, God. Whew. Okay, so let's do some work. All right, we've got our balancer. We even marked degrees on it, so we're fixing to not properly install it with a balancer tool. We're just going to run it on with the impact like we always do. Boom. Boom. We'll give it a torque check once we get it in the car and everything. All right, we poured our old oil in. This is just what we're going to use to initially run it and then drain it and then put some fresh oil in. And I wanted to prime it up, make sure the drain plugs were all tight and everything, put the oil filter back on it, and did exactly what I knew I'd do. Totally forgot to put the sending unit and just perfect. So anyway, we're just going to we're just running a little oil through everything just to get it like that, and then trying to kind of look at our rock arm situation. For the record, this is my oil pump drive shaft tool. It's just a socket welded onto an extension and then electrical taped onto it. It works though, that's all that matters. But we got pretty much all the air out of the lifters and stuff like that, so now let's mess around some more. So here's what we got. This is the conversion kit. Oh, whoops, perfect. It's got these little guide plate deals and just bolts into the factory spot, and you know, then you have adjustable rockers. So this was popular back in the 90s, and I guess LMR, there's a couple other places I think that sell them. This is actually out of production for a long time, and then LMR, I guess maybe in the last 7, 8, not maybe 10 years started reproducing them. But this is an old, I'm pretty sure this is an old original Crane one, even though it's not stamped anywhere. Could just be a repo, but anyway, I got a pretty good price on it at the time, and I didn't realize they were making new ones, so whatever. But anyway, this is what we're going to do, and see if our push rod and rock arm stuff works right. Oh boy, here we go. Let's go. Oh God, I'm doing this one-handed. Shoot, looks like a winner to me. Let's just tighten them down a little bit, see what's up. I'm gonna get some thread locker. I'm gonna run every one of these in and use one of the poly lock deals to get them tightened down, because there's, you know, you gotta double nut them or whatever, so this works just as well. Thread locker them all down, and then start putting all the rocker arms on, and put a little dab of Dooya on, little break-in stuff on the push rod ends, blah 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 blah. Also, while we're sitting here doing it like this, I had to, there you can probably see it right there, there was a tiny burr. I think whoever took these back off had to use, I don't know, they did something maybe to grab them and try and turn them loose. So for me, I just run it down a good ways, and then I can run the lock down and then give it a tweak and then break it. Ah, son of a bitch, that didn't work. Damn it. Okay, it does work. I just gotta have both hands to be able to hold it and turn it and break it loose. So it does work. I just have to have both hands doing it. So there we go. Learn something every day. Got one side tightened down. So let me do a test fit. Okay, not tight, just run down. Let me go get the stud girdle, make sure it fits, and then put the valve cover on, make sure that fits. Just got it mocked up on there. Let's see if the valve cover goes on. Valve cover fits. We might have to trim up the breather a little bit to, you know, get it to seat down in there, but looks like it'll work. What do you know? All the cars I got, the only one that has stud girdle is freaking McNugget. Freaking fail TD, I shipped it 7200 with pedestal rockers, 5/16 bolts, hanging on for dear life, and what are we doing? Oh well, it is what it is. It'd be cool. We have got all of the studs down. I'm also not going to put the stud girdle on until after we get it going, and in case we gotta do any lash adjustments or anything like that. Doing a great job of this. Okay, we got, that one's got plenty on it. A little bit here on the end, brother. Right. So let me finish making a mess. Yes, I'm just sticking them in here to hold them, so I'll pull them back out. Also, the way I adjusted the valves is maybe not how everybody does it, of course. Years ago, I watched I say years ago, it's been a while. I watched a video that Derek from Vice Grip Garage did about how he runs them down. Doesn't matter where they're at, runs them down till he's got the push rod, blah, blah, blah. And then rotates at 90, checks, rotates at 90, checks, rotates at 90, checks, rotates at 90, checks. And then gives them all a 3/4, a half, or a quarter turn, whatever your preference is. And so you don't, you know, I just did it like that. It may be more, maybe time consuming. I don't know. I don't think it is, but it's like idiot proof, and I am an idiot. So let me get this done. Little dab will do you right here. So, some rockers on this rig. Eventually, I would assume that these hardened push rods might wear these Teflon guides, but it's not like we're going to put 100,000 miles on this thing. We're just, you know, we're just trying to get it going and race it. So, okay, let me start getting this deal all set up. We'll be back. Got all our, all right, got all the rockers. Okay. Phew. Dang. That's very time consuming. Like I say, we'll fire it up and run it, and you know, then probably have to make some, maybe not, I don't know. We'll know when we fire it up. Got some solid motor mounts we had laying around. We actually have another set laying around. Threw them on, so. Well, that's it, guys. Yet another short, but oh so sweet video from 5.0 Tesla. Okay, so we got this done. Got motor mounts on it. So tomorrow, my plan is that we are going to put the flywheel on it, clutch, transmission, stick it in the car. Probably put the headers on it, starter, you know, get it set in the car tomorrow. That is my goal for tomorrow, is to get it set in the car, and anything I get beyond that, we'll just call that a bonus. So anyway, thanks for commenting, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. But most importantly, thanks for all the ways you guys support the channel. We couldn't do it without you, and we most certainly wouldn't want to. That is an actual fact. And until next time on Substandard Leader in Box Body videos on this here man's YouTube, 1 year stick shift, single plane, push riding in town cars, stick shift Ford drag vans, proud owner, proprietor, drink maker, pole dancer extreme, top 5 in Florida, and DJ extraordinaire of Club Big Boost. And as always, fighting that good fight against them zombie Mustangs. We will be working on that at some point soon, and fighting that rascal Dr. Fear. See you guys in the next video.